Welcome to Monica Restaurant. Do you have reservation?
I don't have any reservation.
Ma'am, may I know your name so that you will be acknowledged?
Yes, sure. My name is Charlene May Dizon.
Thank you, Ma'am Charlene May Dizon. Table for how many?
Table for one only.
This way, ma'am. Ma'am? Is this table be alright for you, ma'am?
Yes, I will be comfortable here.
May I lay out your table napkin?
Yes, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. Pour your cold mineral water. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your bread and butter is fresh from our oven. Thank you. Ma'am, I would like to present to you our menu for your signature. Just call me ma'am whenever you're ready. Thank you. Later.
20 pesos na.
How about trying for our best seller, the vegetable salad is it's fresh from our garden.
That's good.
Okay, ma'am, may I repeat your order? You'll have serving of potato soup and the appetizer is takoyaki and the main course chicken cheese and the dessert is fruit avocado.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, please wait 5 minutes to serve your food. Excuse me, ma'am, is this your potato soup? Excuse me, ma'am, may I know your dinner? Yes, sure, thank you. Excuse me, ma'am, is this your appetizer takoyaki? Excuse me, ma'am, may I clean your order? Excuse me, ma'am, this is your chicken cheese. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am, may I clean your table? Excuse me, ma'am, here's your cake avocado. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am, here's your vegetable salad. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am, may I clean your table? Thank you. Here is your bill, ma'am. Okay. So I received a 10,000 pesos, ma'am. Please excuse me for a while. I will just get it. Yes, sure. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your change and receipt. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. This way, please. Thank you very much, ma'am, for dining with us. We are happy to see you.